What's really good, guys? It's your boy BLESSKICKZ. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button and hit that like. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a couple of pairs, but let me first get my cat out of here. Where you at? Come here. Wanna say hi to everybody? Let me show you my cat. Right here is my cat. This is Burfy. This is my other daughter. She's a very good cat. And me and her is gonna unbox today. We got a couple of pairs that we bought. I just didn't get a chance to unbox them, but today she's gonna help me unbox all these pairs. Let's get to it. Alright. What we got here? Let's open this up and show you guys what I got. So this is not my first time hitting on this pair. Well, not this specific pair, but I hit on the CPFM Flare 2 a couple of months back and I did the first unboxing, but now I'm gonna unbox this and show you guys the sneaker. It's a pretty cool sneaker. I was like not sure that I was gonna hit on their website. Luckily I hit on their website. Not one pair, but two pairs, the white one and the black one. Well, I'm not sure if this pair is the black one or the white one. Let's open it up and see this pair. Pair number one. Alright, pretty cool box. Boom. Alright, got the black box, very nice. Yin Yang symbol over here. Says Nike Air Force 1 low SPs, obviously size 9.5. Let's open this bad boys up. And this is noir, black. So this is black. Let's open it up. As always, I love their dust bags. Looks like a little towel. Got the Yin Yang going on over here. Shoes Nike over here. And then got the Air Force 1. And let's do it on the bottom. Pretty nice. I love their dust bags. And let's open up the pair. Very nice. Look at this, guys. CPFM Air Force 1. It says Air white in the front. It comes with the black laces already on them. Comes with the white laces as well. Really cool. Let me get the other one out as well. Alright, the flare over here. Very nice. Very nicely done, guys. Right on the Nike check. Right on the swoosh. They got that written. Very beautiful pair. I think it's a nice pair for the summertime to rock, you know, as usual bottoms. And then we have another white lace. And then we already got another black laces. It comes with 3 laces, 1, 2, and 3. That's really cool. It says R for the right and L and in the insole for the left. Alright, let's get this out of the way and let's open the next box. Alright, so that's box number 2. Let's open this up. And this is the white pair, obviously. Let's throw this out. Alright, so same box. At least this box is pretty, you know, normal. Unlike the other pair that came a couple of months ago, the box was huge. Same dust bag, put this on the side. And this pair is white. What? Look at this, guys. There's Air on the right pair. It says, what it says? It says Sunshine, S-U-N-S in the back, H-I-N-E on the other side, Sunshine. I like how they have this covered in the front. This looks really nice. I mean, guys, this is a really dope pair. I really like it. So this only comes with white pairs and then another, well, both white or white, whatever you guys want to call this. Inside, same thing. It says R for right and then L for left. It's a really nice pair. I would love to rock this during the summertime. They always come up with really nice pairs. Right, different pairs, right? Than any other collabs. So this is it. This is the Air Force 1s. CPFM, very beautiful collab, guys. Very nice. I like it. I will be wearing this summer just to hang out and all. So there's other pairs that I also hit on Sneaker App, and this pair actually first came on their website. I entered for the raffle and I hit on these, and I was really surprised how I hit on both colorways, white one and the black one. Plus I got an email for the black one and I'm like, okay, that's pretty cool. Not bad. And then I got an email after like a few minutes later for the white ones. They also sent me a text message just to let me know to purchase it, because they always give you like a 15-20 minutes window. You have to purchase, you know, during that time. If you miss it, you miss it. Like after 15-20 minutes, the window closes and then you cannot purchase a pair anymore. For some random reason, I was just on the phone and I saw the text message and I'm like, oh, nice. I almost missed it. I had like 5 minutes to purchase the pair. So I was like, oh my god, let me purchase it real quick. They did a surprise price drop on the white pair and the black pair. I didn't really go for it because I didn't want to double up on these, obviously. The only different it would have made, first of all, it would be a risk to go for it on sneaker wrap because, you know, I don't really always hit on sneaker wrap. The only thing that was gonna save me was the tax and the shipping because since I live in Jersey, we have no tax on sneakers, so it would have been flat. I think it was for $150, I guess. The price is not on it, but I think it was $150. I paid like $175 for shipping from their website. They did come out with the green pair and the purple pair. I did sign up for them as well, but I didn't hit. I was hoping to get the green pair. I really like that pair. It was pretty nice, but you know, it is what it is. At least I hit on this white and the black pair. This will go down in my collection for sure. I love the Air Forces, especially the white colorway and the black colorway is really nice. The green and purple, they were nice too, but it's just that you cannot rock those pairs, those colorways with anything, you know. Black and white, you could actually wear with anything. Anyways, let's put this on the side and let me show you guys some other pairs that I picked up as well from sneaker app. I actually hit these on sneaker app. Let's open this up. I'm not pretty sure which pair is this. It's been sitting here for a while. I just didn't get a chance to unbox it, but you know, let's unbox these real quick and I'll show you guys what pair is this. Alright, so Cactus Jack. There you go, guys. So I didn't hit my size on this, but I hit 12C because I went for every size. I went for my size, obviously 9.5, then I went for 12C, and then I went for 8C for my daughter. Luckily, I hit on this one. This doesn't come with the dust bag. There you go, guys. Travis Scott, very nice. I hit this pair on the sneaker app. I wish I hit my pair. You know, it's like kind of like very stressful putting a raffle on his website, Travis Scott's website, because like I never hit. The last time I hit on the size 8C was on the lows, the Jordan 1 lows, and after I entered the raffle, I fell asleep and I woke up with an email saying that I hit on the raffle, and I was just punching the air. Like I was like, oh, I didn't purchase it. I really wanted that pair for my daughter, but it is what it is. Anyways, this is it. Brown and white. Got the Travis Scott logo in the back, Jack written in the bottom. Pretty nice. From what I heard, that if you wear them over and over again, the bottoms get pretty messed up. I'm not pretty sure, but I did see a couple of videos where the bottoms were getting ruined. It comes with the one lace is white lace, and then it comes with like off-white lace, and then comes with the brown lace. It's a very nice pair. My daughter, when she gets a little bit big, she'll wear these, obviously. Okay, so let's put this on the side. I wish it came with like a little dust bag as well, but it is what it is. And then lastly, let's open this up. I hit on another pair. Let's see what pair this is. Done box. Alright. Oh yeah, I remember. Dunks Veneer. Look at this, guys. I love this color variant. Green and brown and purple. I love green and I love brown, and got that purple going on. It looks like one of those Ninja Turtle colors. It's a very beautiful pair. I really like this pair. Did come out with this pair before as well, and then they launched it again. And I will be wearing this pair because I just love the coloring on this. So beautiful. I don't know if it comes with another lace or what. Let me see. It comes with more laces. Nope. So it only comes with only purple laces, which is not bad. They look nice. I mean, if I have to swap the laces, I will do it. Not a problem. But there you guys go. I love how they working on these dunks. It looks so beautiful. I always wanted this pair. And there you go, guys. So I got all these pairs that I picked up since last month. I just didn't get a chance to make a video on it, but finally got a chance. We'll be uploading this video hopefully next week. And lastly, I want to show you guys something. I got these hats from J-Tip's website. So if you guys don't know J-Tip, J-Tip did a collaboration with Sakani, and his sneaker, I don't know where it is. Well, let me go get the sneaker first, okay? Alright, I'm back. Sorry. So first, he did a collaboration last year with Sakani with this pair. Beautiful pair. This is the Grid Azora 2000, and he did like a pop-up shop. I forgot where he did it. It was somewhere in New York, and I actually missed it. But he did it like a old school way where it was like first come first serve, and everything went smooth. Like no fighting, no skipping. Everybody peacefully got online and purchased their pair. I love how he's doing his thing. And if you guys don't know, me and him, JT, went to the same high school in the Bronx. If you guys don't know, I'm from the Bronx.
Boogie down Bronx, nigga, and I run shit.
I was raised in the Bronx, and I always sported him since day one. Me and him goes way back. Back then when I used to go to college, I would stop at 34th Street and I would go to the Foot Locker. I used to work at Foot Locker. I used to go there and just purchase sneakers. And the last time when I saw him, it was at the Complex Con in Chicago. That's where I ran into him again. I didn't get a chance to go to his pop-up shops because I'm always like busy. I live in New Jersey now, so I'm always busy with work and with my kid and all with my family. But I gotta go to one of his pop-ups, all right? And I already sported him since day one. I sported him, and I bought a mystery box from his website. If you guys like hats, you should guys go to his website. Link in the bio, jtips.com. Go to his website, cop his hat. He had this deal going on for 2 hats for $40. So I don't know what's in the box, so I'm gonna see and show you guys what's in the box. So this is this collab that he did last year. Very dope pair. I love it, and I wore this already, as you guys can see. I wore this pair, and I really like it. I really like it. All the details on it. Very beautiful pair. Very nice details from every aspect. This pair is really nice. I love how he wore Remember Who Fronted. It's a very nice pair. From repping the Bronx, you know, he's always repping the Bronx. I'm very proud of him where he's at right now. You have 21 Savage, you have Chris Brown, you have Fabulous, you know, rocking his brand. And another pair that I bought this year was this pair right over here. Look at this pair, guys. This year he came out with this pair, and he came out with a brown pair. But I got my hands on this pair. Shout out to Noel. Thank you for hooking me up with this pair. Very good design. This is the Great Shadow 2. I know that the insoles on this, he has the insole just says wear to a date, and the other one says wear to something. Let me see. Let me just take these things out. I was having trouble taking these papers out. And the other one, it doesn't say anything, but I know it says wear to the date on this one. Yeah, this pretty nice. The insoles are pretty nice. Very nice, beautiful pair. Comes with 2 different shoelaces. Very nice. Very light pair. Looks really good on. Very comfortable. Looks good. Really good on feet. And I will try to get my hands on the brown pair as well down the line. But shout out to him. Let's open this box up and see what's the mystery. Let me see what they got inside. Alright. Honestly, guys, I do only rep my own city, New York. I am a Yankees fan. I'm not really a Mets fan, but I love this hat. It's nice Mets hat right over here. And then you got the Rockies Colorado over here. Very nice hat. I will probably give this hat away, to be honest. It's a very beautiful color, yellow and blue. And I love how this hat is. Love the pink bottom over here. Very beautiful hat. I never rocked a Mets hat. Mind rocking it. I love repping my own city. So here you guys have it. And then he sent us a sticker. Very nice. Savior Stadium. Savior, that's his brand's name. And if you guys love hats, I'm telling you guys, go down to his website and cop the hats. Anyways, these are all the pickups that I got since last month. I've been collecting all these sneakers and wanted to show you guys, but I just didn't get a chance to show you guys. So here it is, all these pairs, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.